Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop all background processes in Windows 11. The first thing I want you to do is actually come to the bottom left, right click on the start icon, click here on Task Manager. Now once this opens up, I want you to click here on Processes, and then I want you to find the background apps that you want to go ahead and close. Let's say you want to go ahead and close this one right here, NVIDIA Container, and then you just click on it, click here on End Task, and that will close up. What you can also do is click here on Startup Apps and just make sure that you go ahead and click on the apps that you want to disable for startup, so they'll not start up in the background. So as you can see, this one is disabled, and you can do the same thing for the rest as well and continue that same process. Really that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.